So, about one fourth of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. How many thousand machine boats are there? Come on, try to do it without writing down. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. In all, there are about 100 lakh fish workers who catch fish, clean and sell them, make and repair nets and boats, etc. We also have a name for this big number 100 lakh, which is called a crore. Where have you heard a number crore? What was the number used for? Try writing the number 1 crore. Don't get lost in all the zeros. The fish market. Have you been to a fish market? Have you? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Minnie, come here, take sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Gracie, never so cheap, gets what fish for rupees 60 a kg. Floramma sells prawns for rupees 150 kg. Karuthama sells squid for rupees 50 kg. Look, Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says this fish weighs 8 kg. It will sell the whole for rupees 1200. Practice time. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Calculate. Floramma has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Calculate. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Calculate. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends one fourth of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? How many kilograms of prawns did he buy? Try saying this fast. Here is a tongue twister. Repeat it fast. She sells seashells on the seashore. She is sure that the shells that she sells will be there no more. Women's Minkar Bank. The meeting of the Minkar Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. How much money does the group collect each month? Calculate. How much money will be collected in 10 years? Calculate. Practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a log boat, so they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? Earlier, women did not go on the boat to fish, but now Jhansi and some other women are going to boats during the day. Things are changing now, and their bank helps them. They have also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The Panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fasila writes the things they need to buy To begin, see the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. Here is a table where there is a column for item, price of each item, number of item and cost. So what they require is bore well for fresh water, bamboo rack for fish drying, cement tank, tray and knife and bucket. Okay, so now you have to calculate total cost to set up the factory and write in the fill in the blanks. Okay, when the fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. So, how much dry fish will they get in a month? Question mark. Fill in the blank. Florama. Let us first calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. We buy fresh fish for rupees 15 per kg. We sell dry fish for rupees 70 per kg. We dry 6 kg of fish to get dash kg of dried fish. Okay, so for 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay 6 into dash, which is 90, and we will sell 2 kg dry fish and get 2 into dash rupees dash. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn dash minus 90 is equal to dash rupees. But if we dry 6,000 kg, we can earn rupees dash into 1,000 in 1 month. They are all very happy with this plan. The group can make profits and each woman can get a salary for the work she does. Chancy, I found that 6,000 kg fish we would need 1,500 kg salt every month. Its price is 2 per kg. So the monthly cost of salt is 1,500 into 2 is equal to dash. Packing and bus charges rupees 3,000. So the total monthly cost of drying and selling is rupees dash. Okay, Fazila. That sounds very good. Our calculations tell us that every month our bank will earn 44,000 rupees. Check to see if you also get the same answer. Find out songs sung by fishermen are beautiful. Find out about the words and tunes of such songs. Okay, children, so we have gone through the first lesson of Mathemagic book for class 5. The name of the lesson is Fish Tale. In next class, in next video, we will solve all these problems and find out the answers to the given questions. Thank you.